Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quickie because, well, the stupidity speaks for itself. Now, for reference, everything you're about to hear is completely inaccurate and false. It's also just dumb. If this is the logic that these people are following, then I am not too concerned about who's going to come out on top when the dust settles from all of the nonsense that's going on. Now let's take a listen from our frontline Antifa tactical coordinator.
If you go to a riot and you get arrested, pee in the cop cars. They can't press any charges on you. It's not illegal. And once a cop car is peed in, it goes out of commission for cleaning. If everyone who got arrested peed in the cop cars, there would be no more cop cars.
All right, so who's ready to sign up? Personally, I think getting arrested and sitting in my own urine for probably an hour or more sounds awesome. So let's break this down.
If you go to a riot and you get arrested, pee in the cop cars.
First off, if you're going to a riot, you've got issues, but that's a whole nother video. If you get arrested at said riot, then hopefully you're hydrated to be able to complete the suggested act. Because I'm not sure about the rest of you, but I can't just pee on command.
They can't press any charges on you. It's not illegal.
Now, let's say you carry out Operation Pee Pee Pants. This person, and I say this because I genuinely don't know if it's a guy or a girl, is actually right in the fact that peeing in a cop car is not a crime and you can't be charged with anything additional than what you're already being arrested for. You will, however, be the proud recipient of sitting in your own piss-soaked clothing for the next hour or so while a plethora of paperwork is going to be completed. And no offense, but I'm probably not going to make this the time I test my words per minute typing ability. Moving on.
And once a cop car is peed in, it goes out of commission for cleaning. If everyone who got arrested peed in the cop cars, there would be no more cop cars.
So this is not true either. For simple urine, a cruiser is not taken out of commission for cleaning. What happens is instead of the van being called to transport you, we take you ourselves, which now extends the time you get to sit in your piss-soaked clothing. Once we get there, the jail has inmates known as orderlies who come out and clean the back of our cruisers. Being that they are plastic seats, it takes only a few minutes to hose them down, sanitize, and then we carry on with our shift. So in reality, you're just making one of your protest buddies clean up your piss, and for that, they thank you. All right, everyone, now go drink lots of water and let's be ready for the revolution. Eyebrow shaving is optional for dramatic effect. Okay, so this was a short one, but I couldn't pass up the chance to drop some knowledge on you guys and at the same time make you a little more dumb than when you woke up this morning. I hope you enjoyed, and until the next video, everyone take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.